Every year, millions of people undergo one of the most terrifying surgeries in medicine, open heart surgery. Doctors literally stop the heart, open the chest, and reroute blood vessels to save a person's life. But what actually happens inside the operating room? Today, we're breaking down the full procedure step by step. First, it's important to understand something. Open heart surgery is not just one operation. It's actually a general medical term used for surgeries where the chest is open to reach the heart. Different patients need different procedures. Some need blocked arteries repaired, others need damaged heart valves replaced, and some require emergency surgery after a heart attack. But one of the most common types is coronary artery bypass surgery. Your heart is constantly pumping blood through your body, but the heart itself also needs oxygen-rich blood to survive. That blood is supplied through tiny vessels called coronary arteries. These arteries run across the surface of the heart, branching into smaller vessels that feed the heart muscle. But over time, fat, cholesterol, and inflammatory plaque can build up inside these arteries. This condition is called coronary artery disease. As the blockage grows, less blood reaches the heart tissue. And if the artery becomes completely blocked, the heart muscle begins to die. This is what we know as a heart attack. At this point, medication alone may not be enough. Doctors may need to physically create a new pathway for blood to reach the heart. And that's where bypass surgery comes in. The patient is placed under general anesthesia. Once unconscious, the surgeon makes a long incision down the center of the chest. Next comes one of the most dramatic parts of the operation. The sternum, the breastbone, is carefully cut open. Special surgical tools are then used to separate the chest, allowing direct access to the heart. Before surgery even begins, surgeons usually remove a healthy blood vessel from another part of the body, often from the leg, the chest, or the arm. This vessel will become the new route for blood flow. The surgeon then attaches one end of the vessel before the blockage and the other end after the blockage. This creates a completely new pathway, allowing oxygen-rich blood to bypass the blocked artery. That's why it's called bypass surgery. Once blood flow is restored, the chest is closed carefully. The sternum is wired back together. The muscles and skin are stitched layer by layer, and drainage tubes are placed temporarily to remove blood and fluid after surgery. Open heart surgery can save lives, but it's still a major procedure. Recovery may take weeks or even months. Patients must avoid smoking, improve diet, control blood pressure, and reduce cholesterol levels. Because surgery fixes the blockage, but not the lifestyle that caused it. Today, open heart surgery is one of the greatest achievements in modern medicine. A procedure once considered impossible now saves millions of lives every year. And all of it happens while surgeons work directly on the human heart. If you enjoyed this medical breakdown, subscribe for more deep dives into the human body and modern surgery. And let me know in the comments,